This simple little pump is called Little Mate. That's for a good reason. We all know lubricant filler holes on some engines, diffs, gearboxes, transmissions, motorcycles. Well, sometimes they leave you in a bit of a three-handed funnel shuffle. And if you're anything like me, you'll end up in a bit of a pickle or sometimes in a mess. And that's where Little Mate comes in, because it'll get you into those difficult to get to spots and allow you to dispense lubricant cleanly and accurately. And with this clever little extender with the O-ring, this pump will fit Penrite's 1 litre, 2.5 litre, right through to their 4 litre bottles with a standard 40mm cap. And that's pretty well all of Penrite's automatic transmission fluids, their gearbox and diff range, motorcycle range, and even 1 litre engine oil top-ups. And you guessed it, it's reusable again and again and again. Another great innovation by Penrite for our hands-on Aussie market. So whether for the workshop or you're a DIYer, let Penrite's Little Mate give you a hand. And don't worry, I do the same trick with my Wheat Bix. I really wish they made one of these for milk.